Hey streamers and content creators, did you know that the right microphone can make or break your streaming experience? A bad mic can turn your crystal clear voice into a muffled mess, making viewers tune out in seconds. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we're ranking the best microphones for streaming, breaking down what makes each one special, and, most importantly, helping you pick the ultimate winner. And yes, all the links are in the description, check them out. Now, let's jump in. Number 6. Shure SM7DB Dynamic Vocal Microphone. The Shure SM7DB is an upgrade from the legendary SM7B, featuring a built-in preamp with plus 28 dB gain, eliminating the need for an external booster like the Cloudlifter. Its flat frequency response, 50 Hz to 20H to 20H, delivers warm, natural vocals, making it a favorite among professional streamers and podcasters. The internal air suspension minimizes vibrations, and the detachable windscreen effectively reduces plosives. Compared to the Electro Voice RE20, the SM7DB offers a richer, warmer sound, while the RE20 leans towards a more neutral tone. However, its heavy build requires a sturdy boom arm, and it might not be the best for capturing intricate details like condenser mics. But if you want broadcast quality audio with minimal setup, the SM7DB is a fantastic choice. Number 5. Shure Move 6 Gaming Microphone. The Shure Move 6 is a USB dynamic microphone designed for streamers and gamers who want crisp, clear audio without the hassle of an audio interface. Its plug-and-play design makes it easy to use, and the optional Shure Motive Mix app provides advanced customization options. The cardioid polar pattern effectively isolates vocals, keeping background noise at bay, crucial for those streaming in noisy environments. While the HyperX Quadcast S offers more onboard controls, the MV6 prioritizes simplicity and superior build quality. The noise reduction feature can be aggressive, slightly impacting the warmth of vocals, and the short USB-C cable limits flexibility. But if you want a reliable, no-fuss microphone that delivers professional-grade audio, the MV6 is a strong contender. Number 4. Shure MV7 Plus Podcast Dynamic Microphone. The Shure MV7 Plus is built for podcasters and streamers looking for a versatile and professional microphone with dual USB-C and XLR connectivity. The auto-level mode dynamically adjusts gain, ensuring consistent audio levels, while the digital pop filter and real-time denoiser eliminate unwanted noise and plosives. Its sleek design, intuitive LED touch controls, and robust build make it an attractive. Compared to the RØDE PodMic USB, the MV7 Plus delivers a fuller, warmer sound. Though it lacks physical gain controls, requiring adjustments via software, the higher price tag might be a drawback. But for those serious about their streaming setup, the MV7 Plus offers unmatched flexibility and quality. Number 3. Logitech Blue Sona Active Dynamic XLR Microphone. The Blue Sona is a powerhouse featuring an advanced dual diaphragm capsule and integrated clear amp technology that provides 25 dB of gain boost, meaning no need for expensive preamps. Its internal shock mount minimizes vibrations, and the high-pass filter and presence boost EQ switches offer easy tonal adjustments. The modern aesthetic and interchangeable windscreens add a stylish touch. When stacked against the Shure SM7B, the Blue Sona holds its own, offering a cleaner, noise-free signal thanks to the built-in preamp. However, it requires phantom power and an external audio interface, adding to the setup cost. Still, for streamers looking for broadcast quality sound with minimal post-processing, this mic is a beast. Number 2. Elgato Wave 3 Premium Studio USB Condenser Microphone. If you're looking for studio quality sound in a USB microphone, the Elgato Wave 3 is an excellent choice. Its 24-bit/96 kg resolution ensures high-definition audio capture, while the proprietary clip-guard technology prevents distortion during loud peaks. The Wavelink software is a game-changer, allowing real-time mixing of multiple audio sources, perfect for streamers juggling game sound, voice chat, and music. While the Blue Yeti provides multiple polar patterns, the Wave 3 focuses on streamers' needs, optimizing for single-person voice capture with crisp clarity. However, it lacks a pop filter, and the plastic build feels less premium compared to competitors. But considering its plug-and-play functionality and powerful software integration, the Wave 3 is a top-tier pick for USB mic users. Number 1. RØDE PodMic USB. Versatile dynamic broadcast microphone. Taking the top spot is the RØDE PodMic USB, a dynamic broadcast mic that balances versatility, premium build, and exceptional audio performance. With dual XLR and USB-C connectivity, it caters to both beginners and professionals, making it one of the most flexible microphones on the market. The internal DSP with Revolution preamp technology ensures ultra-low noise and high-gain performance, delivering clear, rich vocals. The all-metal construction exudes durability, and the included foam windscreen effectively reduces plosives. Compared to the Shure MV7, the PodMic USB offers a more affordable option with comparable sound quality, though it lacks onboard gain controls. If you're looking for a microphone that grows with you as you upgrade your setup, the PodMic USB is hands down the best choice. Final verdict: which one wins? After comparing all these top-tier microphones, the RØDE PodMic USB stands out as the overall best microphone for streaming. It delivers professional-grade audio, dual connectivity, and a robust build at a price that offers fantastic value, while others like the Shure SM7, DB and Blue Sona are excellent choices for high-end setups, and the Elgato Wave 3 dominates in USB plug-and-play convenience. The PodMic USB strikes the perfect balance between affordability. So, there you have it. Which of these microphones would you pick for your streaming setup? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and check out the links in the description to grab your mic today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.